In a world where friends and outside influences can try to make you do things, it's really important to have the tools and mindset to make good choices. In this video, we follow Lil Herbie's story to share the message of saying no to drugs. Saying no is like having a superpower that makes your future strong and saves lives. Let's talk about the important things to help us make smart choices. Lil Herbie wants to help you deal with peer pressure. It's crucial to learn how to confidently say no when someone offers you drugs. Another important thing is making your own decisions. You have the power to choose for yourself, and that's really strong. When you make your own choices, you're not letting others control your life. This skill helps you stay strong and protects you from things that can harm you. It's also important to involve your parents. Talk openly with your parents about the dangers of drugs. By talking with them, you create a safe space where you can ask for guidance and advice. Growing up, we all need help and advice. Lil Herbie wants to make sure you understand the difference between medicines from a doctor and harmful drugs from others. Knowing this can help save your life. Another important thing is to reach out to trusted adults. If you have questions or feel unsure, talk to your parents, teachers, or school counselors. Having a support system helps you handle challenges. Remember, it's important to make good choices, and we want to give you the strength to be your own superhero. Join Lil Herbie on this mission, and let's make sure the next generation grows up knowing how to confidently say no to drugs.